Welcome to Easy Coloring Drawing. Hello my dears, today I am drawing shapes. Let's start.
Woo!
First I am drawing a hexagon. Please subscribe. I am drawing eyes. I am drawing an arrow sign. It's a heart.
Woo!
It's a star.
Woo!
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5. She went to her hive.
I am drawing a square.
Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6. Oh fiddle 6.
And finally I am drawing a circle.
Woo!
Tick tock, hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Yellow color.
Woo!
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory
Red color.
Woo!
tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck 2. Away she flew.
Blue color.
Woo!
Dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck 3.
Orange color.
Woo!
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird sat by the clock. The clock struck 4.
Green color.
Woo!
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5. She went to her hive.
Purple color.
Woo!
Tick tock, tick tock.
See you on next video.